Good afternoon, children. It's good to have you this hour of our lesson. Today we are learning the topic solution in science. Solution is a very important topic which we'll enjoy later in higher classes. But for now, a solution is defined as a type of mixture where a substance is dissolved into another. A substance that is dissolved in the liquid is called a solute. And then we have solvent. The solvent is a liquid in which the solute is dissolved in. A solution is a mixture. And why is a solution called a mixture? A solution is a mixture because it can be separated, meaning we can use another process and get back our solute, which is the solid, and get back also our solvent if we need it, okay, which is the liquid use. A solution is made when one substance, which is called the solute, dissolves in another substance called the solvent, as you can see in my slide number 2. Okay, that's how a solution is made. In my slide number 2, as you can see, I have the salt as my solute and I have water as my solvent. Water is referred to as a universal solvent. The reason being that it can dissolve more solute than many other liquids. Okay, so when salt is added to water and properly stirred until you cannot see any solute, cannot see any particle of salt anymore, what you have is a solution. What you have is a solution. We can as well form a sugar solution. Okay, then we have another type of mixture, but this one is different. It is called suspension. It is also a mixture, but in it you will see some particles of the solute, which is a solid, okay, and it is not completely dissolved. Solution has a special characteristics, and these are: it is uniform or homogeneous throughout. That is, it is not like mixing milk in powdered milk in water. No, it will look far different from it. It will look as if nothing was being put in there as long as it is a saturated solution. What is a saturated solution? Saturated solution is a solution that has enough solute. It's a solvent that have enough solute that it can carry at a given temperature. Okay, but once it has more than required, you see some particles of solid still dangling around, even though it can dissolve. Okay, so that won't be a saturated solution. Okay, so for a solution, it is also stable and it doesn't change over time or settle. Take for instance, we have salt and water solution. If you have it, once it is saturated or undersaturated, you can never see particles of salt. So it is a saturated solution and it is settled. You won't later see particles of salt settling at the bottom as long as it is a saturated solution. It is also stable, and then the solute particles are so small they cannot be separated using a filter paper, meaning if you pass the mixture through filter paper, you will not have a solute on the filter paper. It will all pass through the pores or the porous part of the filter paper like a single solvent. Okay, then another example of it, the salt water which I mentioned, it's a mixture of salt and water. Then we have also the sugar and the water that will give you a solution also on its own. Then the solution can be separated using evaporation. Okay, And this method also can help us produce some crystals of either salt or crystals of sugar when heated and the water is evaporated. Okay, when we want to get back the water, we use distillation instead of just evaporation. Just evaporation will let the water go back to the atmosphere, but if we have distillation, we'll get back our water, and we also have our salt, which is solute. Both salt and solvent will be recovered using distillation, but if we use evaporation, only solute will be recovered, and the solute can be made into crystal, as you can see on my slide. Okay, all right. So it's a very important chemical process, forming solution and recovering solute or solvent. They use it to get the salt from the sea as we use it in the home. All right, thank you very much. If you have any question, we'll meet in our Zoom classes, and then you'll be able to ask a question. Your homework will be coming in your Google Class. I'll send your homework there and your classwork. Thank you very much. So see you later, and make the video as short as possible. All right, bye.